Let's have a conversation together now. Please answer my questions. Have you ever been X-rayed? What was the highest temperature you ever had? Do you see your dentist regularly? What color are your eyes? And do you take after your mom or dad? What helps you with your cold sore? What is the difference between constipation and diarrhea? Can you describe any dangerous situation? What is a normal blood pressure? How many toes and fingers do you have? Have you ever burned anything? And now write down the following sentences. The nurse helped the doctor right away. Don't worry, it won't hurt. I've lost my pills. What would you do if it was sharper? You mustn't touch anything. And now translate. My hand is bleeding. I wish I were pregnant. Where does it hurt? Actually, I don't like it. If you did it right, why were you worried? What would you do if she didn't come? Why didn't you help him? I wish I had been there for you. You should have paid it last week. Please, don't tell anyone. And now create your own sentences. Healthy. Chest. Pain. Vomit. Stomachache. That's all for today. Bye-bye.